What is the best Philips shaver, the best electric shaver for men under $100? Hello, I'm Neil and this is the Dad Delivers vlog. It's a place where we try to be happy with what we've already got. I fail to do that in each and every video, so today Dad delivers this. It's the Philips Shaver 3000. Sometimes it used to be called the Philishave, but I think I'm showing my age by calling it that. But this, I think, is going to be the one. It's going to be the one that's going to replace this monstrosity. Well, it's not a monstrosity, my trusty electric shaver. I've had it for so long that I don't even know what model number it is. It's got a trimmer on the back. I'm hoping to replace that with this, so I'm going to unbox it. It's going to be a really simple video. This is what comes inside the box. Stuff. We have instructions. It's a strange cloth thing there, and a plug, the shaver plug. But this is what you want to see. You want to see what's in the bag. This is the Philips 3000, the Philips Philishave Series 3000. Now these come in different flavors, some more expensive than others. I've gone for I think the cheapest base model. This is what it looks like straight out of the box. Looks really sleek. There's the power socket on the bottom. There's the proprietary socket. Wouldn't it be great if it was the USB-C? But it isn't, but that's okay. I've got so many of these cables over the years. There's a power button, which I'm going to hit in a moment. I'm showing great restraint not getting it started. Can you see the words wet and dry? That is one of the features that I go for with the Philishave or the Philips Shaver. Nobody calls it a Philishave anymore, do they? But this is the second reason I've gone for it. Can you see that as it glides over your face, the blades kind of push in and move around to match the contours of your face. Oh look, there's a warning sticker on the back here. Don't use it while it's plugged in, while it's charging. Shall I hit start? I should hit start, shouldn't I? Let's just get it going. Oh no! It's not charged, the tease. This is the shaver adapter that I'm now using to be able to charge the Philips 3000, and look at this display. Don't know how close I'll be able to go. That's a lovely display. When I've been putting up with this for I don't know how long, probably over 5 years, I've been using this. You can see the on-off button is really worn down. This is how it looks when it's charging. Let me show you underneath the hood. If you press this button, there's like a little eject button there. It opens up, and this is that's nice and big, but this is where the beard collects underneath the blades, which are all removable and cleanable under the tap, or faucet, depending on where you are around the world. But this is where all the beard collects, and this is going to be a bit disgusting, but I'm going to compare it with my old Philips shaver. Whoa, look at all the beard in there. This feels so much more shallow than this, so this is like an extra capacity. So if you're thinking of upgrading your Philips shaver, I think that bin stores a lot more beard. Oh, that's really quiet. And these spindles spin around, and that's what spins the blades underneath. Look at that, it comes off really easily, and that allows for cleaning underneath. And all you do is just clip it on here, line it up with the holes and push it in. Wow, that is so easy. Let me give you some close-ups. In case you're wondering what this is, turn it off. In case you're wondering what this is, it's it's a scar from where I had a bike accident 10 years ago. So if you're wondering whether you can use an electric shaver with scar tissue, yes, you can, because it goes over very easily. In fact, I've got a bit of a confession to make. I have never ever used a wet shave. I know it's a little strange, but when I was a teenager, I'd had terrible acne. There's no way I could have put a plain open blade on my skin. It would just tear my face off. So I started on the electric razor, and I haven't looked back. I've never had a wet shave. Maybe I should try that on camera one day. I feel like there should be some kind of stigma with that, but I'm very comfortable with using the electric shaver and nothing else. Leave a comment below. I don't think I've met any man that's not had a wet shave, so I feel a little odd about it. I feel a little odd about the scar as well. People often say, Neil, you've got you've got a thing under your nose. And I'm like, no, it's a scar. By the way, there's a link in the description if you want to buy one of these on Amazon, the Philips 3000. There's a link down there you can use. Firstly, you can use it wet or dry. So that means you can use it in the shower. You can rinse it out with running water to clean the thing out. The second reason I love this is the pivoting heads that follow your face. I tried a Braun. I don't know if I can find some footage on the internet of the Braun shavers, but you just use them in one direction, so you have to go up and down. And I just couldn't use it. I find this so much easier to run in little circles. You run it in a circular motion around your face and it removes everything. And the third reason I love this is the ability to clean it really easily. So you just pop out the blades like this. The beard is captured in there. And then if you want to clean the blades, I don't know if I can do this, maybe I could do this on the other camera. You just twist this central holder and then lift it up. I have to put my glasses on. And there you can see the 3 blades underneath, and you can push those out really easily with your finger. Try not to drop them in the toilet like I've done a couple of times. And inside this grill, it's like a little cartridge. The blades just sit in there, so you can just tip them up and clean the blades in there. And then to put it back together again, you just put the blades into the grill and then sit the grill into the holder there, and then we'll get the other holder, and that lines up with the holder here, and you just push and turn, and that's now held in place. There we go. And then all we do is clip that back onto the shaver unit. I'm getting beard all over my desk. That just pushes down like that, and that's good to go. Again, so we come back onto this camera. Oh, it's so good to have a clean face after a few days of getting ready for this video. And there's a hat, a protective helmet. Let's call it a shield, and that clips on like that, and that will protect the blades. I've forgotten, there's another feature with this. If I come onto this camera, if I pull this button down here, you get a beard trimmer on the side, or a sideburns clipper. And I use that clipper for going around my ears like this. And also the hair on the back of your neck, it's quite useful for that. And you just push it down to get rid of it. Now I'll turn it off, and it's showing I've only charged it for a few minutes, so it's gone from 1 bar to recharge. I cannot recommend this shaver more highly, and if you want to get one, there's a link in the description. If this video has helped, why not hit the thumbs up button? And right here is what YouTube thinks you should be watching next.
Can you please help my daddy get 10,000 subscribers? Just click on his face. Thanks, bye! Alright, this is going to be the proper one, right?